seems like the come up is real. Thoughts about living it up in the hills. Working this job cause it's paying my bills. Made a foundation I'm looking to build. Need all my wishes fulfilled. Turn all my dreams to reality. No one just chasing the fantasy. Coming for everything. Looking back down from a balcony. Thank God we stuck to the...
Hoy no quiere saber del ex, ni que ningún bobo se le pegue. Yo te lo voy a hacer como.
I got a monstrous appetite. Seems like I'll never be satisfied. I'm always feeling another fight. I've been the man for the job. You got the night at the interview. They didn't think I was capable. Knew I was born for this right when they cut the umbilical. All of these rappers the same. Swear they're identical. Fuck what they play on the radio. I used to sit all alone in the studio. Pray for a miracle. Now everything looking beautiful. Hell and back, I've been through it. Took all the chances they would it. They love it, it's been room for improvement. Please don't you give me a reason. I get it all when they sleeping. Work every day plus the weekend. Told them it's almighty season. Hell and back, I've been through it. Took all the chances they would it. They loving the way that I do it. Always been room for improvement. Please don't you give me a reason. I get it all when they sleeping. Work every day plus the weekend. Told them it's almighty season. Said that I kill it and nobody telling me different. I leave them dead in the casket. Ones that are close to me say that I'm distant. Knew I was gifted, but they wasn't present. Ayy, come for your neck like I'm Dracula. Know that I'm far from the regular. Finna be something spectacular. Step up the lab with the formula. Up every night, know it's on me at. Get on the beat, then I body that. They listening now like a wiretap. I need to know where that money at. I go to work on it daily. Most of these rappers be lazy. Love when they look at me crazy. Tell them my name again, feel like their memory hazy. Fuck all that jewelry and fashion. I got my eyes on a mansion. People keep talking and talking and talking, but never gon' put in that action. Went through the struggle, I'm moving up levels. Not too many people that sit in my circle. I lost a few battles, but learned to rebuttal. I had to go prove I was special. I be the one that's gon' get it done. Got an opinion, don't give me one. I gotta make it out where I'm from. Starting that beef, I am not the one. Everyone searching for clout. That's what the game's been about. I'm on a whole nother route. They wanna know how I do it, but they cannot figure me out. Hell and back, I've been through it. Took all the chances they would it. They loving the way that I do it. Always been room for improvement. Please don't you give me a reason. I get it all when they sleeping. Work every day plus the weekend. Told them it's almighty season. Hell and back, I've been through it. Took all the chances they would it. They loving the way that I do it. Always been room for improvement. Please don't you give me a reason. I get it all when they sleeping. Work every day plus the weekend. Told them it's almighty season.
I've been at it on my own time, no. Flexing on my own dime, no. I've been working on my own time, no. Flexing on my own dime, no. Yeah. Made it happen, making songs, man, I do that on the daily. Working way too long, swear my friends will think I'm crazy. I've been at it rolling, been feeling good lately. About to buy a damn jet ski, cause I'm so wavy. Own time, no. I've been at it on my own dime, no. Yeah. Moving on. Think my mind is finally really gone. Think it's time I finally right my wrongs. Write it down and put them in a song. Back in the rap again, I need to move and then find a beautiful view. Set up shop, get a room for two. Make a new album, then finally snooze. Cause I get no sleep, I get no peace. Cause I get no green when I'm living stress free. Cut down trees like memories. The second I make it, I'm leaving the scene. Yeah. Own time, no. Flexing on my own dime, no. I've been at it on my own time, no. Flexing on my own dime, no. I've been working on my own time, no. Flexing on my own dime, no. Yeah. Made it happen, making songs, man, I do that on the daily. Working way too long, swear my friends will think I'm crazy. I've been at it rolling, been feeling good lately. About to buy a damn jet ski, cause I'm so wavy. Own time, no. I've been at it on my own dime, no. Yeah, this is my passion, but I never thought it'd pay the rent. Yeah, nobody tapping like I do, they don't envision it. I don't want my motive to be the money, creating like I'm so hungry. They looking right at me funny, cause they don't really get it. They don't flex, they ain't blessed, they just rest. They don't stress like I do, they don't test like I do. Goddamn. flexing on my own dime, no, no, no. I've been working on my own time, no, no, no. Flexing on my own time, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah, made a habit making songs, man, I do that on the daily. Working way too long, swear my friends will think I'm crazy. I've been at it rolling, been feeling good lately. About to buy a damn jet ski, cause I'm so wavy. Own time, no, no, no. I've been at it on my own dime, no, no, no. I've been at it on my own time, no, no, no. Flexing on my own dime, no, no, no. I've been working on my own time, no, no, no. Flexing on my own time, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah, made a habit making songs, man, I do that on the daily. Working way too long, swear my friends will think I'm crazy. I've been at it rolling, been feeling good.
Lies, yeah, I thought that I'd die. Whoa, whoa. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. All the day been in my mind for days. Wish I could get away. You know it isn't safe for me to be in this headspace. Drunk and I miss you unless I'm just drunk. Told me to swim, then you watched as I sunk. I can't forgive you, no, I'm not that dumb. Paranoid, I gotta run. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. Once upon a time I used to hold you close. Now the only thing I'm holding is a broken soul. Knock me down and I'm still falling like some dominoes. Oh no, I'm trapped, I can't get out, no. Back to the basics, you crazy as hell, and I can't bring myself to say I wish you well. Tryna be tough in a world that's ablaze. You told me that you would stay. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. Singing why, oh why you lie, you lie. Every time I die a little inside. I'm like bye, baby, bye, bye. Gotta move on with my life, well at least I'm gonna try. Don't you hit me in the night, cause I'm probably home crying. Don't you know that I'm still trapped in my mind. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. Can't breathe in toxic skies. Pollute me with your lies. Yeah, I thought that I'd die.